Hey everyone, today we're driving the 2024 Kia Telluride. Alright, let's take a look at visibility real quick. Large mirrors that we can see out of very well, both sides. We have decent visibility throughout the side. Rear visibility is pretty good. We also have a virtual rear camera right there. We can quickly go through the little modes here in terms of what these look like. So we have our comfort, we have sport, we have smart. If we go all the way the other way, we have snow to start off, eco, and then back to our comfort or sport. We'll go ahead and go around in comfort for at least the beginning of this review. So we have a nice crisp display right here. We also have, not sure if the camera will pick it up, but we also have a heads-up display right there that will show navigation if you use at least the navigation app within the Telluride. There's also, as I realized, a very big community around Tellurides where they even turtle you. They'll put a turtle on the inside of or like of your handle, and you know, this time it was Nancy from Ohio, so thank you, Nancy from Ohio. That's pretty fun. We do have a full 360-degree camera, which is pretty crisp. Starting off, the steering is very light at low speeds. Really like the steering wheel. This down here, this kind of handle right here is very nice and chunky. Good to put your hand in. The stalks feel nice and crisp as well. As you get up to higher speeds, the steering does kind of firm up quite a bit. Brakes are easy to modulate. And then, as you can see, whenever you put on your turn signal, you will see right here that you can see the camera in the mirror there to the right, which is a nice touch. Helps with visibility quite a bit. The different modes also affect the driving quite a bit. For example, the eco mode is quite sluggish, but does get much better gas mileage and feels a little slow around town, whereas the sport mode really crisps up the shifts and makes it a little bit more of a sporty, engaging drive. Overall, the driving dynamics going through this kind of winding road here, it's very easy to kind of feel where you're going with the steering and just kind of navigate it exactly where you want to be, which is all helped out by the fact that we have nice large mirrors. Then we have the normal suite of things. We have auto hold, we have the auto stop start, and then of course parking sensors and all those fun things. Engine has a nice sound, transmission's nice and smooth. No creaks and rattles that I can tell with 6,787 miles. Comparatively, pretty sure Mustangs come off the lot and they have rattles immediately, so that's very good to see. As you can see, we're getting about 20 miles per gallon right now. It is rated 18 in the city, 24 on the highway. And yesterday, driving in eco mode at about 55 miles an hour with a couple lights here and there, I was able to get at least from this reading all the way up to 29 miles per gallon, which is very impressive for a big, heavy SUV that can carry quite a bit of people around. Seats are very nice and comfortable, very adjustable as well. I don't know what this person in front of us is doing. Don't know how they know how to drive. It also does show your speed limit within the gauge cluster right there. Having that head-up display doesn't show too much information when you're typically driving, just some basic the speed information and then what speed you're going. As I mentioned earlier, it will show the actual navigations and instructions and things like that normally. But overall, if you're looking for a large SUV that fits seven plus people in it, and you want good driving dynamics, good gas mileage, good reliability, a lot of features, heads-up display, suede headliner like this one has, heated cooled seats front, back, and front, both seats, and then both of the captain's chairs in the back. This is a great option. It does ring up a pretty penny, with this example being something in the realm of $60,000 brand new. But they do have good reliability ratings, as mentioned before, and also good resale value. And so if you're looking for something with that caliber, then the 2024 Kia Telluride would be a safe choice. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.